Photoshop is still a powerful software, but I think for certain tasks, Nano Banana Pro is simply faster, cleaner, and more flexible. Let me show you where it wins. Nano Banana is created to listen to what you want, and Photoshop is created to follow what you do. Take a look at this image. This image was created using this prompt. Nano Banana actually listened to what I wanted. It just took 10 seconds, whereas in Photoshop, I would be layering, masking, and adjusting for a while. I gave Nano Banana this prompt, and this is the result I got. Take a look at the lighting, the fabric texture. I didn't edit all this. This was all from one prompt. Beauty shots are usually where Photoshop wins, but this surprised me. It already looks like a finished cover, and this is the prompt I used. Okay, this part is crazy. Take a look at this image I gave Nano Banana and take a look at this result. Turning a real photo into a 3D character in Photoshop would require a skill, but with Nano Banana it just took me one prompt. Here's the prompt. I gave Nano Banana this image as a reference and this prompt, and this is the result I got. Imagine the work I would have to put in to get this image if I was to use Photoshop. I gave Nano Banana this image and this prompt, just one sentence, and this is the result I got. With Photoshop, it wouldn't be this easy. Imagine taking pictures, then realize when editing that the outfit doesn't match the vibe. Changing the outfit in Photoshop would be a challenging task, but with Nano Banana, it just took me one sentence. Take a look at this. This is the image I gave Nano Banana, and this is the prompt I used, and this is the result I got. This was just from one sentence. Let's say this is your house and you want to change the interior design. With Photoshop, it would be a long and challenging task, but with Nano Banana, you can get results in 10 seconds. This is the image I used as a reference, and this is the prompt I used in Nano Banana, and this is the result I got. For the next image, I gave Nano Banana this text, and I want to change it to have a fluffy texture. So I gave Nano Banana this prompt, and this is the result I got. This doesn't replace Photoshop, but for transformations and fast creative control, Nano Banana is a smart tool to use. So if you're a graphic designer, if you're a filmmaker or content creator, this is worth adding to your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.